Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, in the Central Caribbean this evening, we do have a prefrontal trough system that is generating shower activity across the open waters of the basin, and we also have showers extending into Hispaniola. Towards the west of this area, we do have another weak stationary frontal system that is just north of the area, and we can also see a distinct line of clouds extending into the Yucatan. We're expecting the stationary system to remain stationary over the general area tonight into tomorrow. There is likely to be some movement as we move into the end of Sunday, going into early Monday. It is expected to be moving north of the Caribbean area. Isolated showers and isolated thunderstorms are expected with the passage of both systems. Now, the forecast for tonight has partly cloudy skies with some isolated thunderstorms, especially across sections of northern parishes. We're expecting the temperatures to drop to about 23 degrees Celsius in both Kingston and in Montego Bay. We also have stronger winds across the area tonight. Winds are anywhere between 10 and 15 knots over the south coast from the east-northeast, and we're also expecting wind speeds between 10 and 15 knots across sections of the north. For tomorrow morning, expect some isolated showers if you're in the east, particularly in sections of St. Mary and Portland. And we're also expecting in the afternoon some showers, especially across sections of western parishes and inland areas. Temperatures 30 degrees Celsius in Kingston. Temperature in Montego Bay gets to 29 degrees Celsius. Now, the breakdown has showers across much of the area, especially as you move west from Spanish Town. So we have shower activity, isolated thunderstorms in Spanish Town, Maypen, Mandeville, also in Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, Negril, Lucy, and Montego Bay. We're also expecting showers and thunderstorms in Falmouth. Increased clouds are expected across most of inland areas tomorrow. We do have thunderstorms forecast as well. Expect showers and thunderstorms for much of the day for Port Antonio and Port Maria, also for Golden Spring. We're expecting heavy showers and a few thunderstorms also in Moortown and Richmond St. Mary. Expect showers and thunderstorms also for Moco, Christiana, Grange Hill, as well as Duncans and Cay Valley. The next few days, cloudy conditions persist right into Tuesday. Isolated showers are likely on Sunday and Monday, also on Tuesday in the afternoon. Now for the marine forecast. On the north coast, the winds are east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, with the wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. While for the south coast tomorrow, we're expecting the winds from the east-southeast, and there is a small craft warning that is in effect. The wave heights are between 2 and 2.5 meters, with wind speeds between 20 and 25 knots. Also for offshore areas, expect the small craft warning to remain in effect as well. Northeasterlies are at 20 to 25 knots with wave heights between 2 and 2.5 meters. The winds are expected to be dropping back to 20 knots on Sunday, as well as on Monday and Tuesday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow, 5:53, 5:56 in Mandeville, 5:59 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.